Hi everybody, welcome to Drawing with Mr. Jason. For today's art lesson, we are going to draw a puppy. To draw today, we're going to need a pencil, eraser if we make some mistakes and have to erase that, piece of paper, and if you'd like to color your art later, you'll need crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever works best for you. Okay, we're going to start with our paper portrait. That means it's taller than it is wide, so like a famous portrait style. Near the middle of the paper, but a little bit above the middle, we're going to start with a large circle. Draw kind of light because we might need to erase a line or two. Hopefully you can see the circle. I think I might draw with a magic marker so that you can see my lines a little better. There, much brighter. We're going to need to draw some ears for our puppy. So on the side of our circle here, we're going to draw a curved line like an ear. And one on the other side. On the top of the circle, I like to draw some hairs. I think it makes it look a little cuter, so we'll just do a little bit of a zigzag. And your zigzag hair does not have to look just like mine. It's just something I like to do. Now in the main circle here in the middle, we're going to draw near the close to the middle, but up a little bit, a soft curved line on this side and one on that side. Underneath these curved lines, we're going to draw a semicircle. A semicircle is just a circle that doesn't finish. And it doesn't finish because we have those curved lines there. Semicircle on both sides. Inside of these two semicircles, I want you to draw another semicircle. This one's going to be a little one. See how they're not quite finished? They're kind of like little letter U's. Easy for me to say. Then what we're going to do is where those little U's end, on each end, we're going to draw a curved line that connects both ends. So at the top of this semicircle, a big curved line that connects to the other side. Below these eyes, we're going to draw the nose. The nose is going to be like a triangle shape, but the corners, instead of corners, they're going to be round. I'll show you what I mean. We'll start with a curved line. Another curved line. And connect it. So it's kind of triangular shape, but it's also round. Straight line down from the bottom of that nose, and our puppy will be smiling. It's a happy pup. Draw a curved line and the corner of its mouth. And the same thing on the other side. Curved line. And down here at the puppy's mouth, draw a tongue. It's just a curved line and a curved line right there. We draw our pup's neck. So find a point below this circle that you like and just draw a little straight line on each side. Why so short? I'll show you in just a moment. We're going to draw our puppy's collar. So you're going to draw a curved line, come down a little bit, same curved line. And then connect them with a slightly curved line. Below the collar, let's draw a circle for the dog tag. Inside the circle, a little circle, and 3, 1, 2, 3 above it. So it looks a little bit like a puppy paw print. Okay, on this side of our puppy, under the collar, we're going to draw a curved line that comes down and stops. On this side of the puppy's collar, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out, and then a curved line comes all the way down here. And come back to our puppy's collar, come down just a little bit, and we're going to draw a diagonal line and a straight line down. Curve, another curve, and then another curve. This one comes up. We'll draw a diagonal line out. We'll come back to this point where we started the curve for this foot. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Curved line, come back up for the toe. Curved line for the next toe. Curved line, this one's going to go all the way up to finish the foot. Draw a diagonal line. We're going to come up a little bit here. Draw a curved line. Comes down to our dog's front paw, and a curve for the back paw. See where this point, the curved line meets that diagonal line? We draw a slightly curved line here, curved line here, and draw some toes. 1, 2. And we're going to connect these. 1, 2. Draw the dog's tail. I'm going to have to cover it for a second because I'm very right-handed. Draw a curved line like that. Connect it back to the dog's rump. And then we're going to draw some lines like that on each side of the tail to show that the dog's tail is wagging. We need to draw the background so our dog's not flying in space, which would be an interesting drawing, but we're not doing that one today. Draw a straight line until you get to a part of the dog, then you stop. Pick it up on the other side, all the way across. I get to the collar, stop. Imagine I'm drawing it. Get to the other side, and finish that straight line. Now our dog is in the yard. We're going to draw straight line up. Right here on the ear, we're going to draw a diagonal line. Then we're going to go up just a little bit and draw another diagonal line. We did some of those with the ladder the ladder on the fire truck last week. Now where this line ends, I'm going to come down and another diagonal line going down the other way. And do the same thing here. it kind of looks like a roof. And that's because it is. It's the roof of our dog's house. Here we're going to draw where our puppy goes into sleep when it wants to take a nap. Straight line up, curve across. If you run out of paper, that's fine. It's off to the side. If you have enough room, just bring it all the way back down. I don't know what your puppy's name is going to be, so I'm just going to put the word dog on the top of my doghouse. D-O-G. And a lot of times dog houses are made out of wood, so we'll just make some wood lines for wood that go across our dog house. They just go across the wood, they don't go in this hole. So you just come across. And that's our dog's house. We're almost out of time. I see the timer's running short, so we're going to quickly draw an oval. Diagonal line on each side of that oval coming down, and connect them with a curved line. And inside this oval near the bottom, just scribble. That's our dog's food. Now to make this look like grass where our dog is sitting, just draw some zigzags. Simple zigzags. They don't have to be everywhere. Just enough so that we know that our dog is having fun in the backyard or front yard. Now, we left this space up in the sky. You can add clouds, you can add sun, you can add birds. If you want to add clouds, I would just add a wavy line. Curved wavy line. Here's a cloud. Nice easy way to draw birds. Curved line down. Curved line down. There's a seagull or a crow or a pigeon or a dove flying by. Add a couple of those. And that is a nice, beautiful day in the backyard with your puppy. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. I look forward to seeing some examples of your work. And tell Miss V what you would like to draw next week. I'm totally open to suggestions. All right, enjoy.